Welcome to you in Kanha Math classes for 12th Math under CBSE board based on NCERT pattern. In the previous video, I regularized and influenced your mind to have a clear concept about the area of some curves bounded by some lines. How to find out this? In order to find out the area of the surface lies between, or area of the region lies in between the curves and straight line, we have taken a strip or intersection of dx or dy, and by virtue of definite integral, we have tried to find out the value within the given limit from x is equal to lower limit to x is equal to upper limit, or y is equal to lower limit to y is equal to upper limit. In this connection, I am going to find out the area of region bounded by this curve. This curve is obviously a parabola, and bounded by the curve is line x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 4. This condition we will fulfill. We will utilize this as the lower limit of definite integral and upper limit of definite integral. Hence, if area is bounded of the concerned region is A, then A will be equal to y dx. Definitely, if you try to take the clear idea, and if you take this vertical strip and here this is the point of origin, x is equal to 1, and here x is equal to 4. Then initially we will try to follow the formula A is equal to y dx. We have taken a small intersection of a strip of the region bounded by the curve and these two straight line, the equation of which are x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4. This equation will be taken as the lower limit of the integral and upper limit of the integral. From the equation of curve, y is equal to under root x. Hence, A is equal to 1 to 4 root x dx. Root x dx, or this is equal to 1 to 4 x 1 by 2 dx. By virtue of fundamental principle of integration, the integration will be x 1 by 2 x n plus 1 upon n plus 1 x 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1, and this is from 1 to 4. Now A is equal to x 3 by 2 1 to 4. By giving the value 4 and 1, here 4 3/2 minus 1 3/2. 4 3/2, 4 3 times 64 upon 1/2 means 8, and here 1 raised power 3/2 will be equal to 1, or this is 7 square unit. Hence here we have done 3/2, and here this will be equal to 2/3, and also we will write here 2/3 because denominator has been left here, 2/3, and this is as into 2/3, 8 minus 1, 7, 2 is 14/3. Clearly the required area of surface of the bounded region is equal to 14/3. 14/3. This will be the requisite answer of the area. Now the question number 2 under exercise 8+1, 8.1. Here we have given the equation of curve y square is equal to 9x, and the straight line, or you may say upper limit and lower limit have given. Then the area of the region bounded by the curves and these straight lines. We will have to find out the area. A is equal to integral y dx, and lower limit 2 to upper limit 4. From here y is equal to 3x 1/2. We will introduce here 2 to 4. Y means 3x 1/2 dx. This is, we will take common as 3, 2 to 4 x 1/2 dx. 3, 2 to 4 x 1/2 plus 1 upon 1/2 plus 1. Is equal to 3x 3/2 into 2/3 limit from 2 to 4. Area, the requisite area will be equal to 3 2/3 and x 3/2 limit from 2 to 4. Here 3 will be cut by 3. This will become 2, and we will replace 4 upper limit 3/2 minus 2 3/2. Here will be 2 4 4 64 4 into 4 16 16 into 4 64/2 under root 64 means 8 or 2 raised to the power 3 means 8 1/2 under root means 2√2 means 2√2. If you multiply by 2, this will be equal to 16 minus 4√2. This will be the requisite area of the bounded region. Thank you for watching the video. I advise you to like, comment and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.